All right, y'all, today's video is about the EGR Rolltrac. I've done videos on it before. Y'all, this bed cover right now is running a huge sale at EGR USA. I'll post a link here. Go grab one, y'all. I don't have a coupon code. I don't get commissions with them, y'all. But this bed cover right here is one of the best bed covers I have purchased, y'all. Security, the way it bolts to the bed, and if your truck's unlocked, you can see right here you have buttons on top, which is great. It has buttons on both sides, so if you need to open it up and your truck's unlocked, you can do that. You can push the button again, you can stop it in any position. Go ahead and close it back up, and look at the seal on this thing, y'all. Like, watch this. This is one of the most watertight bed covers I've owned, and we're gonna get into why this one is different and how it bolts to the truck and it's better security. Okay, the next thing is the key fob right here. You want key fob control, you push your unlock button, I think it's 5 times. There you go. And if you push it again, it'll stop. See, and you can stop it by pressing again. You want to close it, push the lock button, you can close it. And y'all, this isn't some Bluetooth module communicating. This is actually hardwired to the truck. It's a very simple harness to hook up, and it controls it manually with the key fob. So you've got access to do that. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this thing back up. Unlock the truck, see the buttons don't work. We unlock the truck, now the buttons do. Okay, so this is part of this bed cover. Let me get up here, sorry. You have 4 drains on this bed cover, which I significantly like. Okay, you have them in the front, you have them in the back. Now, a lot of bed covers are designed with just drains in the front, and that works for trucks that have factory rake. But you go put a leveling kit on it, problem is all your water's going to run to the back. You don't have drains in the back, it's going to spill over back here by your tailgate. This one has these size drains in the back and the same size in the front, on the front of the canister. Okay, one of the reasons I really like it. Now, security, let's talk about this. Okay, most of these trucks have a bed utility group option, so you can see Ram has it. These bolt holes are already in the bed. Okay, they'll send you crushed nuts, but if you have the stock bed rails, you can put this in. Now, for the video today with the discount, I'm telling you it's for Ram 1500, y'all. But look at this, it is bolted here, this frame is bolted here. Not only that, this clips on the rail right here behind the rail with these 2 bolts going all the way up. Now, from a maintenance perspective on this, one of the other things that I really like is a lot of the motors are built into the canister. Okay, check this out over here. Let's say your motor went out or you had a problem. You have a electric controller that your harnesses come into on the left side, right? We've got a light right here, and you've got a release that you can push and manually move it if you need to. But y'all, the motor is right here. It's on a worm gear. You can literally pull the motor off, change the motor. So for a maintenance, I mean, if the motor ever went out or something like that, this is a very easily repairable cover. Don't have to send it in. You know, I could change the motor probably on this thing in about 10 minutes. So anyway, but the security of it, the way it's built, I mean, look at these rails. Y'all, this is solid. Somebody can't take a pry bar and walk up to your truck, just pop your bed cover up and get what's in there. Okay, so if you're worried about security, this right here, EGR Rolltrac, is the only way to go. So again, I'm going to post that website right here, EGR USA. Y'all, they have the manual and the electric for the Ram 1500, running a huge sale at the time of this video, y'all. You don't want to miss this sale. This is one of the best bed covers you can purchase on the market. So if the video helped you any today, please hit that like, hit that subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one.